What is going on, people, and welcome back to another episode of your Arizona Diamondbacks Franchise Rebuild here, as we're sitting in first place in the National League West here, through 11 games, 50 runs scored, 32 against. So far, the best runs against in the division. Giants have 33. We have 32, 7-3 in their last 10 games, 7-1 on the road, 1-2 at home. For the rest of the standings here, Rockies sitting in last place in the NL. Twins last place in the AL. Athletics 3-8. Twins 2-8. Look at the stats so far. Darce and Kelly leading the team that's in home runs. Aquino and Kelly off to a hot start. That's what we were hoping for. So we take game one. Looking at St. Louis here. Drew Ellis. He's now out for an injury, 1 to 2 months. Ouch. Broken shin. 6-2 victory in game one of the series. Varsho was 3 for 4. Sano was 3 for 4. Kennedy 2 for 3. Varsho and Sano with the home runs. Baumgartner having himself a heck of a year. 6-2 victory. Game 2. German Marquez. Ace lineup now needs some. Fair enough. Marquez has himself his best performance as a Diamondback pitcher. 4-1 victory. O'Neill with the lone home run for the Cardinals. Varsho 2 for 4. Varsho and Grenier with the home runs that game. Marquez almost goes 9 innings pitched. Well, we got some scouting to do here, as we will probably hold the 5th overall pick in the draft coming up. Or not the 5th overall pick anymore, I should say. Not too sure where we're pitching, actually. Humberto Castellanos shoulder tear. 1 to 2 months. Fuentes, bruised hand. Canzone, broken leg. Where are all these injuries coming from all at once? My goodness. It's a plague. An injury plague. We dropped game 3 of the series 5-3. Our home run show for St. Louis. We're getting it done small ball, though. Kelly gives up 4 earned for the loss. Bullpen shuts down the door, at least. Some positives there. 10-4 on the year now. Got some roster moves to do here as we look at who's getting called up and who's getting sent down. Scott Nunn. It is time. I think we're going to put him in Double-A. See what he can do for those hot puddles. Catchers. Got some catching depth at least. CJ Stubbs will go down to Double-A. Faven Smith tearing up Triple-A. We'll get us another shot here in the majors. Casey Golden will go up to Triple-A. Garcion go to Double-A. That should be it for what we need to do. Last game of the series, Matthew Boyd. Can we get the series win, or they tie it up? Oh, and they shut us out 5-0. We only get 3 hits, so they beat us badly on our home field. Chapman having himself a rough start here in April. Hopefully he can turn it around. Our next game up, New York Mets. They come away with a 3-2 victory. Alonso with that 3-run home run. Or 3 RBIs. 2-run home run, I should say. Let's see, we got tie up the series with the Mets here. Matt Tabor. Fuentes is ready to come back. Baumgartner, 4-0 to start the year. Davis, 2 home runs with Alonso. With Sano and Aquino get home runs. Baumgartner only gives up 2 earned. Giancarlo gives up 1. Ooh, an Arizona Diamondbacks chance to win the series. And they do. They shut the door at the 6-5 win. Sano with another home run. Marquez 4 earned through 7 innings. Not bad. Take it. Cleveland up 2-1 in the first game of the series. They hold on for a 2-1 victory there. Unfortunately, no offense there. It's Arizona starting to slowly slip back after their hot start. Hopefully, we can snap out of this. So we dropped game 2 of the series 4-2. Boyd gives up 4 earned through just over 5 innings pitched. Oof, Aaron Civale, 2 earned with 9 strikeouts. Working his magic there, but we avoid the sweep in Cleveland, winning 4-2 in the final game. Playing small ball there, there's no home runs or hits for us, but Dallin, only 1 earned through 7 innings. Nicely done there. First game in the Big Apple. We lose in extra innings 3-1. Caleb Smith with the loss drops us to 13-9 now on the year. Game 2 of the series. I don't know why we're looking at this again, but Sano, the lone home run. 5-5, bottom 9th. Mets walked it off again. Back-to-back walk-off wins for the Mets. Winning in 10 innings. 2 for 4 for Sano. Sano with another home run. Back-to-back home runs. He's having himself a series here in the Big Apple. On the Long Island. It's 13-10 now, dropping to 3rd in the division. Couple more people we got to look at here before we scout some individuals. I don't know, this draft people, I would like someone with some power hitting, but I wouldn't say no to another starting pitcher in round 1. But here we are in game 3, Citi Field. Mets fans going crazy. They're off to 11-12 start. Diamondbacks off to 13-10. So we take against the New York Mets, dropping the first 2-game series. Hoping to avoid the sweep here. Taijuan Walker comes in. Biggest 5th appearance of the year, 5.09 ERA. The whip of 1.26, 24 strikeouts to 4 walks. Doesn't walk very many hitters. So we'll see what we can do against a strong pitching staff in the Mets organization here today. On the road, Dalton Varsho leading off, 5 home runs, 11 RBIs. 1-2 count. And he's late on the fastball. Tried to go Oppo Taco, could not happen there. 3-2 count now for Christian Walker. He watches a fastball miss down low. 1 strikeout, 1 walk now. Rojas gets a pitch to hit. Just not enough of it. Lines out to center field. Well, I should say pops out. More of a pop out than a line out, I guess. So it's the lineup so far in the year. Varsho, Walker, Rojas, Sano, Beer, Smith, Grainer, Van Meter, Guys and Diaz. And Rojas are having a tough time right now. Sano, 1-1 count. He gets a pitch to hit. That one smoked. It's going. Possible. No. It's caught at the fence. Caught at the fence. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Sano looking for his 3rd home run this series. Almost had it. Just 2 feet away. Unbelievable. Merrill Kelly making his 5th appearance now. 1-2 record, 3.62 ERA, 1.35 whip with 14 strikeouts and 11 walks. Walking more than he would like, but hoping to avoid that here versus a strong hitting New York Mets lineup. Marte leading off, 3 home runs, 6 RBIs on the year. Hitting under 200 on the year though. As he tries a bunt. Leadoff bunt, but Van Meter says, "Get that stuff out of here." I was ready for that all day. All day. Mets lineup, Dominic Smith. Hitting .305 on the year so far, same as Tristan Vasquez and Jeff McNeil. 2-2 count, a youngster, Jake Magnum. He gets on top of one. Rojas makes the throw. 2 outs on 6 pitches for Merrill Kelly. J.D. Davis, 7 home runs and 15 RBIs. One of the dangerous hitters of the early year. Van Meter, which is another nice play from third base, throws him out to end the inning. 1-2-3 to the Mets. No hits through 1 for both squads here in the Big Apple. Top second now. Seth Beer gets a pitch to hit, lines that one down the second base path. Leadoff single for Beer, 2-2 count. Smith chases a high fastball. He's looking for one to take out of the field. Grayson Dernier now looking to do some damage. He gets a pitch to hit splitter, but that is lined right to center field. He doesn't even have to move. Two down now in the inning. Josh Van Meter gets pitched to hit. They can't drop it. Hands up just in time. Had danger, but they escape it. Bottom 2 we go. Pete Alonso, the polar bear, looking to lead his Mets to the playoffs this year. Hard grounder to Rojas. 1 down now here, bottom 2. Wilmer Flores now. Next up to bat, pitches up, watches the cutter take the zone, 0-1 count. He's down chasing on that one. Eisen Diaz makes the play at second, throws him out. Diaz's offense hasn't been there, but at least he hasn't made too many defensive mistakes. Trying to stay in the lineup any way he can. 0-2 count to Lindor. He's chasing a changeup out of the zone to end the inning. Nasty changeup from Kelly. Another look here. Lindor. Oof. Swing and a miss. Love to see it. Christian Walker. The 0-1 count. He hits one right back up the middle for a 2-out single, keeping the inning alive. Veteran trying to get a rally going. Rojas now. He gets a pitch to hit. Just missed that one though. Is that still? Hands up in time for center field to make the play. We're just missing by a matter of inches. Speaking of just missing, Donald Smith pops that one up right to Merrill Kelly. That could have been dangerous if he got a hold of that one. 2-2 count now for Vasquez. He's chasing a fastball high and outside. Strikes him out. Second strikeout of the day for Merrill Kelly. 2-0 count for Jeff McNeil now. Hard hit right back to Rojas, but he can't make the play. He can't scoop it up. That is going to be scored a single. Rojas escapes the error. 1-1 count. That one's hard hit. That one is lined right up Varsho. He makes the play to end the third. Sano leading it off now here. Top of the 4th, 2-0 count. He gets on top of one, but he beats the shift. That is going to roll all the way to the wall. Sano showing off his wheels. That's a leadoff double for the big man. Showing he doesn't have to get the ball out of the park there to be effective. Seth Beer now. He gets a pitch to hit. Splitter hangs up, but that's lined right to the center fielder. Starlin Marte's got himself a magnet on him, apparently. 2-2 count for Pavin Smith now. He goes down and get one. Well, he hit that almost smack down in the middle, but still pops it out to center field. Two one count now to Grenier. Gets on top of a slider. Two shortstop, makes the throw. Ends the top of the fourth. Danger averted for the Mets. Jake Magnum full count now. Strikes out. Mel Kelly and his nasty changeup. Third strikeout of the day. J.D. Davis. First pitch swinging, 10 meter. Makes another play from third base. He gets him. Nice arm strength from Van Meter. 2-0 count now. Pete Alonso. Gets a pitch to hit. That one's deep. That one's going. Pavin Smith. Too slow. Just past him. Automatic double now. Eisen Diaz makes the play from second to escape danger. 0-0 through 4. Pitching and defense, people.